Hey guys, this is Paul from Day to Day Fixes. Today I have this Burnham steam boiler, and what we're going to do is a little bit of maintenance today. We're going to remove the water, but the boiler is on right now. So what we're going to do is turn off the thermostat or lower the temperature, and then we're going to turn the switch off. The boiler's off. We're going to turn this off. That way the boiler won't turn off for whatever reason. And we're going to drain this in two spots. We're going to drain it from here so that way the steam is able to flow. There is a flapper over here, and if that gets clogged, it prevents steam from flowing up the tube. Again, I'm not an expert on this, but this is a very old boiler and want to maintain it. See how dirty it is? Starting to come out a little cleaner now. It's very hot, just be careful guys. Should close off this knob. Alright. I'm gonna open it up here. Alright, we'll open it up there also. Oh, that's dirty. I'm going to add some more water. Could be that there's a clog there, and this is why we need to do this often. Now, for you experts out there, how often do you guys do this? I hear it should be once a week. Others say once a month. This is an older boiler, so I'm trying to do this every 10 days or so. Well, what do you guys think? Alright, there's almost no more water. I'm going to turn this off. It's coming out clear. Since we added more water, I'm going to open it off here. This part is good. It looks like the other part could be clogged up. And this is why we need to drain the water often. Let's close this back up. Alright. Coming out. Alright, good, there we go. And now, that's what we want to see. We want to see clear water, not dirty. So to me, this is good. Alright, so now we can turn it off. the water levels a little high, so I'm going to keep draining water, and then water levels over here somewhere. You keep draining it a little bit, and I'll let the automatic water dispenser figure out how much water the boiler should have. That's good enough. Alright, closed. You could dump this at your nearest drain or take it outside. Alright, turn it on. The automatic water feeder should turn on in a few if the boiler needs water. The automatic feeder is working. This one's a VXT. I really like this one because it tells you how many gallons it's used so far. You can reset it at the beginning of the year or at the beginning of the season. So the glass had no water. Can't really see it, but it had no water. So right now it is filling up. That 13 will go at 14 as you just saw, and a little bit more, and then it's gonna stop. Then it's gonna think again, let the water level, and if it needs more, it's gonna turn on again, but after a few minutes. It's been about a minute or so, and it's turned on. You notice it needs more water. Yep, it's dirty, so the glass is dirty. Next year we'll have to remove it and clean it. Here we go. 15. It'll keep going for a little longer, and then it'll stop once again. That should be more than enough water. It shouldn't turn on again, and we're good to go. Just to recap, we removed the dirty water from this steam boiler. We found the clog we were able to clear by adding additional water, bypassing the automatic water feeder. Then we noticed there was too much water in the boiler, and I would rather have the automatic water feeder put more water in. So we took out the water that was in there and let the automatic feeder work. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe.